Hello everyone. In this video, let's watch a demonstration of Mark Jewelry software. First of all, we create a purchase entry. Suppose we purchase jewelry from any supplier, like we select Chanda Anjiya Parmeshwar, then enter their bill number. Now from this item list, select the item that you want to purchase. Suppose we select diamond bracelet. And now here you can see his reference number or barcode. After this, in description window, you will see the first option is sets or pieces. That means how many pieces or sets you are going to purchase. For example, we enter 1. Next option is rate. And here it's showing purchase rate 2800 because we have already entered today's gold rate. That's why it is automatically represent that rate here, 2800 rupees per gram. After this, here you will enter gross weight, like we enter 30 grams. Then set its purity to carat and enter 18 carat. Then specify diamond weight as it has 1.2 carat diamond. As you press enter, then it opens diamond detail window. And here you will specify diamond detail, like we enter 300 pieces and 1.2 its carat weight. Purchase rate, suppose we enter 12,000 rupees per carat. Sales rate, suppose we enter 25,000 rupees per carat. Then here we can enter its handling charges, color and clarity. Like we enter here VSI 1 and under cut field we enter RD. Means it has round cut. And after filling the diamond detail, we get back from this window. Now in the stone field, you need to enter the weight of stone used in bracelet. For example, we enter 3.4 carat. Press enter key. And here you will specify the stone detail, like we enter 20 pieces. Purchase rate, like 400 rupees per gram. Sale rate, like 700 rupees per gram. And after filling the stone detail, we get back from this window. Next option is stone. And here you can calculate it in rati, carat or gram, which becomes the net weight after deduction from gross rate. So we select from here carat. Now here we taken carat for stone and diamond, and here you can see the net weight which we have after deducting both weights from gross is 29.080. After this, here you will specify making, which is applied by supplier, like 30 rupees per gram. Next is polish. Suppose supplier charge this in percentage, like 3%. Then at the right side you can see the making amount and polish weight. After this, in extra goods field, like we enter 2000 rupees, which is charged by supplier for hallmark. Then here you can specify discount. After that, in description and narration field, you can enter supplier name, item code and remark. Then in the tray name field, you can enter tray number, color or location where you kept that item. Now, in sales description section, first option is making charges. Here you will specify on which rate you have to sell bracelet. For example, we specify 50 rupees per gram. After this, here you will put purity. Next is polish. Suppose we want to charge this in percent, like 7%. Then in extra goods field, you will specify hallmark charges, like we enter 3000 rupees. Then next is photo. Set this option to yes. As you set that option to yes, then it opens a photo file window. And now from here we select the bracelet photo. So now here suppose we select this one. So in this way the entry of first item has been completed. Now we save it. After saving the bill, you can also generate labels in barcode. For example, we click on labels. Then here you can specify in which format you want to print. After this, from control room, you can specify how many print you want to give. So like this, it has been entered in our stock. After this, if you want to view, click on stock status. Then select diamond bracelet. And now you can see its detail like total piece, diamond weight, stone weight, etc. Press enter key. Then click on reference detail. And now you can see its barcode DI000003. And over here you can view supplier information. Now after that, let's we sell the item which we have purchased. For that, click on sale button. Then here we will put current date. Then select customer name. In type field, we'll select 1% or retail invoice. After that, in description field, you will scan barcode number through barcode scanner like DI000003. Means here you will scan barcode number of that item which you want to sell. Now press enter key and now you can see it will automatically picks up the item from stock and show in sales invoice. Now here if we press right arrow key, then it brings up description window. And in the rate field, you can see the pre-decided rate 2900 which we had fixed in today's gold rate. All the information which we had set for sale, you can see over here. Now we save this bill. Then mode of payment window will appear. Suppose customer pays 30,000 rupees as a cash, 20,000 rupees from credit card, and rest of the amount pays by check, that is 35254. And now here if you press F key, then you can view its preview. Now after this, let's move on to the item sale purchase report section. Here we are presenting a report. For that, go to daily reports menu, item sale purchase summary. Suppose if you want to view sale summary, click on it. Then here you will specify up to which date you want to view report. Then if you want to view tag detail, set this option to yes, otherwise set no. Next you will select report 4. And then you can set stock less option to yes, no or only. Now click on view button. And now here you can view preview of sale summary. Now after that, let's see the process of Karigar. First, you will click on Karigar issue button. Then we select ledger like Tapan Karigar. And we have to give order to make jewelry like diamond bangle. So first we issue pure gold from stock. Suppose we issue 50 gram gross weight, which is fine gold. After this we are issuing diamond and its weight is 20 carat and we are giving 100 pieces of 20 carat weight. So like this we have issued 2 items to them. Save it and press escape key. Now after this we will generate receipt entry for those ornaments which they have made. For that, click on Karigar receive button. Then select ledger like Tapan Karigar. Then you will select item like we select diamond bangle. In the reference field you can specify a barcode number which you want. Like we enter DB0004. Now we have received one set of diamond whose gross weight is 40 grams and purity is 22 carat. Diamond weight is 2, means it has 2 carat diamond. And as you press enter, then it opens diamond detail window. And here you will specify diamond detail like we enter 10 pieces. Sale rate, suppose we enter 30,000 rupees per gram. After that, in stone field you can specify stone weight if there. Next is loss polish, which is charged by Karigar for wastage. Suppose Karigar charge this in percentage like 2%. Then next is making, and here you will specify making which is charged by Karigar, like 20 rupees per gram. And after that, here you can specify sales description as we have seen earlier. And now we save this entry. Now you will go to transactions menu, receipt, melter, and then select pendings. And now here you can see Tapan Karigar has how much melter pending. And now here you can see Tapan Karigar has how much melter pending. So friends, in this video we have seen a demonstration of Mark Jewelry software. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.